I had no idea what I was gonna do this morning because the conditions are so terrible. It was a lot warmer yesterday, precipitous, cloudy day. It was a great day to be fishing in my opinion. I got a call from a friend yesterday and he said he fished this spot. He caught 3 bass and snagged 1 carp. I'm gonna come out in these post-frontal conditions, bluebird skies, freezing cold, and I'm gonna see if I can do better. It's still fall, but it is winter out there for sure. It was an intense cold front. See if we can one up my buddy from yesterday. That's all we're doing. Let's get out there, let's get it, let's catch a few. Stay tuned. There we go, folks, number 6. 2 feet of water. I think we figured them out. We patterned them, shallow rock. Water temp is probably mid upper 40s. Air temp is probably just getting to 27 maybe. It's just incredible how shallow these fish will hang yet on these really cold days. It just goes to show that the water temperature is very different than the air temperature. All right, folks, so I thought I'd turn the camera around while I was checking the time and kind of give you guys a more thorough breakdown of how I'm fishing this paddle tail. So basically, we got a ton of chunk rock that kind of extends out into the water there. And I'm fishing anywhere from 2 to 6, 7 feet. And I'm letting that jig fall all the way to bottom, and then I'm just shaving the tops of those rocks. I'm just kind of consistently cranking it just across the tops of those rocks. I'm running into the rocks and just trying to create a little bit of commotion. Once I feel like that lure has overstayed its welcome, I just move down the bank and put that lure in front of new fish and try to generate a couple more bites, because I do feel like those fish get familiar with that lure going by them and the bite just kind of gets tough. We're at 6. So we're doing all right. It's only 8:40, so I still got a bit of morning. Hopefully we can catch a big one. Yeah, that'd be great. All right, folks, so the inevitable happened. The GoPro died, and guess what? A fish hit. Best one of the darn day. Look at that. Beauty smallie. Probably an 18-inch smallmouth. We'll let that one go. What a beautiful fish. Look at that thing. What a gorgeous fish. Even though we're not going to get that hook set on film, it was the same thing. Just burning probably 2 to 3 feet of water. I guess burning isn't really accurate. Just kind of rolling that paddle tail, bouncing off those rocks, shaving rock. That's what I'm calling it. Those batteries just cannot hold up in this cold weather either. They just are terrible in cold weather. So let's get back out there. Maybe we'll catch another good one. Who knows, you know? Anything can happen. There you go, folks, another smallie. Not that big one we caught, but a smallie nonetheless, all on that Authentics peanut butter and jelly. I told you guys I like this color palette in the fall. I feel like it just matches the dying foliage that kind of sinks to the bottom of the lake. You got those purples and reds and browns, all those fall colors, and I feel like that color just kind of matches the fall palette, so I like to throw that in the fall. We caught another good one. That's not bad. Nice chunky November bass there, but we are a broken record at this point. To get a bite going like this and establish a pattern, that is everything, you know. Owner ball head jig, 1/8 ounce, rolling it through that thick chunk rock with that PB&J Authentics pulser. The GoPro's done, guys, so I'll just be checking in with you guys and we'll round out the rest of the day. Stay tuned. Let's see if we can catch 2 more. We got 1 hour. Let's make it happen. That pattern did continue to hold up throughout the morning. I was fortunate enough this day to establish a pattern early on in my trip. And once I kind of got an idea that that was really starting to work, I just kept with it throughout the day and managed to catch a decent bag of fish. You can really grind and have a tough day. So very grateful it worked out. We got some more videos coming, so y'all take care and I'll see you soon. Peace.